This is page 170, and we're going to start up at the top of the page where there's a table. It says read the table to find the information to solve multi-step rate problems. The table shows the fees at a parking lot. The first hour is free. The second hour is $1.75. And after the second hour, it's $2.50 per hour. Ben parks his car there from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the same day. How much did he pay for parking? Well, we got to first figure out how much time went from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. From 9 to 12 or noon is 3 hours, and 12 to 2 is 2 hours. So he parked for 5 hours. Well, how much would he pay for the first hour? Let's just list the hours. We got first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, and the fifth hour. The first hour is free, so he pays nothing. The second hour is $1.75. And after the second hour, he pays $2.50. So he's going to pay $2.50 3 times. And so what I'm going to do to solve this is I'm going to do $2.50 times 3 first, instead of adding those all together. $7.50 for those 3 hours. And then all I have to do is add the $1.75. And I've got $9.25. All right, I would like you to pause the video, do number 3 only, do it on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard, and then turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solution for that. All right, I'm gonna minimize this, pull that out of the way, leave it on there so you can still see it. And number 3 says the table shows the charges for renting a bicycle. First hour is $3. For every additional half hour is $2.50. Tom rented a bicycle from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the same day. How much did he pay for renting the bicycle? So if he's going from 10 to 2, to go from 10 to 12 is 2 hours, and from 12 to 2 is 2 hours. So he's renting this bicycle for 4 hours. The first hour, he's getting it for $3, and every half an hour he has to pay $2.50. So that means that he's paying $5 per hour, right? If it's $2.50 for a half an hour, it's $5 for an hour. So I'm going to add on $5 3 more times, because that first hour is covered. Now we've got hours 2, 3, and 4, and this would be $5 per hour times the 3 hours. So that's 15 total dollars. Then we add the original $3 from hour number 1, which means he's going to be spending $18 to rent the bike. Hope you got it. Thanks for watching.